everyone and welcome to the channel Shelly's Millions. Today the California EDD did begin sending out messages to your UI Online account regarding automatic payments for pending unemployment claims. So it might be time to check your UI Online message inbox. If you didn't receive this notice in your UI Online message box from the EDD, try not to worry. In the EDD news release, they stated that they would be sending out these messages in batches. Now, usually when they say they're going to do things in batches, it does seem like it takes about a week for everyone who's going to get notices to actually receive those notices. And you do need to be pending for 2 weeks or longer and have received at least one payment from the California EDD. If your unemployment claim has not been pending for 2 weeks yet and you don't want to wait to see if you're going to get this letter or not, your options are to call, use Ask EDD to submit a question, use Contact Us to submit a question, or email your assembly member to see if they can help get you paid faster than the 2-week timeline for you to be pending in order to receive this notice. For those of you who haven't received this message in your UI Online inbox, but you expect to receive it, here's what it looks like and what it says. Dear Shelly, this notice applies to any potential eligibility issue that arises during your claim. We have identified a potential issue with your claim which could make you ineligible for benefits. Because you have already received benefits on your unemployment claim, we are processing your pending weeks for conditional payment while we determine your continued eligibility. If you continue to certify for benefits while we are determining your eligibility, any conditional payment will be considered an overpayment if we later find you ineligible for those benefits. We still need to determine your eligibility on the pending issue, which will lead to one of these results. You will receive conditional payment and later be found eligible for those benefits. Or you will receive conditional payment and later be found ineligible for those benefits. If you are disqualified, we will send you a notice of determination, which you may appeal. You may have to pay back the conditional payments received if you do not qualify for an overpayment waiver. During the review, you may not receive payment if you are fully employed or reported excessive earnings, are serving a prior false statement penalty, have an existing disqualification, had a prior overpayment and your benefits were applied to the overpayment. This notice applies when we cannot make a determination within 2 weeks of when we identified an issue of potential eligibility. What to expect. While we determine your eligibility, continue to certify for benefits. If you continue to be unemployed or are working reduced hours, the fastest way to certify is through UI Online. We will continue to pay you as long as you continue to certify, unless we find you to be ineligible. You should not continue to certify if you are fully employed or otherwise believe you are ineligible for benefits. We may contact you if we need more information to determine your eligibility. It is important that you respond to us. If you don't respond as requested, we still need to make a decision based on the information available to us. Without information from you, we may find you ineligible for any conditional payment you received. For more information on eligibility issues, visit Claim Status Pending Payment. After we determine eligibility, to be eligible to receive benefits, you must meet the eligibility requirements for unemployment each week. If we confirm your eligibility, you do not need to do anything for the weeks that were paid. Continue to certify for benefits every 2 weeks if you remain unemployed or are working reduced hours. For help answering certification questions, visit Understanding the Certification Questions or review Unemployment Benefits Certification Question Information, YouTube. If you do not meet eligibility requirements, we will send you a notice of determination DE1080CZ, which you can appeal. If you do not qualify for an overpayment waiver, you will be required to repay benefits received. We will mail you a notice of potential overpayment, DE1447, and/or a notice of overpayment, DE1444. You will have the right to appeal this determination and overpayment and be reconsidered for an overpayment waiver. For more information, visit Overpayment and Penalties. Thank you. Employment Development Department, EDD, State of California. Let me know in the comments down below, did you receive this notice this morning? Has your claim been paid yet? Are you worried about any future overpayment notices that you might get as a result of this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.